Hi, you're welcome to GMats class. Now today we are looking at logical reasoning. Now, what do we refer to as logical reasoning? Now we observe that people develop a line of argument using language. So language is very, very important whenever we're talking about logical reasoning. So the attempt of using language to pass an information to develop a line of arguments is what we refer to as logical reasoning. Now, in logical reasoning, we have what we call a statement. Now, what we call a statement are spoken and written words or written sentences that give information about something. Or we say a statement is a sentence that is not a question, not an exclamation, not a command, and not an expression of feelings. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to learn two types of statements. We have two major types we are considering today. We have the closed statement and open statements. Now, when is a statement said to be closed? A statement is closed if we can assign a truth value to it. I come again. A statement is closed or is called a closed statement if you can assign a what? A truth value to it. Now, we ask ourselves, what do we call truth value? A truth value simply means validity of a statement. Validity of a statement. Now, let me give you an instance of a closed statement. Nigeria is in Africa. Nigeria is in Africa. Look at that statement. You can attach a truth value to it. That is, you can ask whether it is true or false. Nigeria is in Africa. So I can ask true or false. So such statements that you can always ask if it is true or if it is not true. It is referred to as what? As a closed statement. Let me give you another example of a closed statement. My father is a man. My father is a man. Now look at that statement. My father is a man. I can ask true or false. Now we know the answer. A father must always be a man. Alright? So we also have another statement we call an open statement. An open statement. An open statement is just an opposite of a closed statement. Now, it's a statement that you cannot assign true or false to it. Now, let me give you an example. I dreamt that I had rice. I dreamt that I had rice. Now, look at that statement. It is not possible for me to ask somebody true or false. So, such statements cannot be asked true or false. You cannot ask if it is true or false. The person saying it is the only person that has that information. So such statement is an open statement. Let me give you another instance. Now if we have 7 plus 3 equals to x. 7 plus 3 equals to x. Now, this is a closed statement because we don't know what x is. We don't know maybe this statement is true or not. Because if this x now is 11, that means that statement is not true. If this statement is 10, that means that statement, if this x is 10, rather, that means the statement is true. So we cannot say until we know what x is. Since we don't know what x is, then we say such statement is an open statement. So today we have learned that we have two types of statement. We have closed and open statement. Now there is one important thing we need to know today. Now, when we say a statement is a sentence that is not a question, not an exclamation, not a command, and not an expression of feelings. You see, you can always say different kind of things. Not all what we say is a statement. It could be a sentence, but it may not be a statement. Let me give you an instance. Are you the boy that was called yesterday? Are you the boy that was called yesterday? Now look at that sentence. It's a sentence, but it's not a statement. Why? Because it's a question. Any sentence that is a question, any sentence that is an exclamation, any sentence that is a command, any sentence that is an expression of feeling, it is not a statement. Alright? So, say for instance, stand up. That's a command. It is not a statement, but it is what? A sentence. Alright? So, now today we have given a